So we're here in this place called Green Hill, still in Wexford County. It's bright and sunny, but oh look, rain clouds over there. We just got the docket from the place where they issue out the strawberries to make strawberry jam. Only right here on the Alvin channel, so stay tuned. Oh,
thank you so
wow.
much. You're welcome.
Look at that. Look at,
I have to take one so you do.
look at that. We're gonna make some jam in a while, so see you back at the jam making factory in 2 minutes. I'm gonna try one first.
I'm gonna have to try one too.
And it's chilled.
Okay, there we go.
Wow, that's 4 kilos.
In the supermarket because they're too big. They want the uniformal size and they're too long. This is why they're good for jam. I'm going to go a little bit over. Now this pot here is best suited for 2 kilos. The good thing about this pot is, see that, it has to be a very solid bottom. So I'm going to take half, try to do whatever half of this is. So they're going to be in your pots. So you're going to see them like that, whereas the rest of this stuff here is going to be mushed. See the way that's getting nice and juicy, okay? That retains the heat and puts it up, but it doesn't stick to it. Because if you had a thin bottom pot, when you put the heat onto it, it'll burn. Okay? What I'm trying to get is the... So I put my clean hand under them just in case their pips go through, okay? So you catch the pips. The rest of the guys in, hopefully they'll hold their shape. Okay. So I'm going to use 2 kilos of sugar. So it's got pectin in it to help make it solid. The first thing we want to do is just get the sugar melted. Okay, start. So we're just trying to get that gooey stuff to be like it melted in, and then once it melts in, pump up the heat really, really high. It'll start boiling up here. Because I went over the 2 kilos, it might come over the edge. See, but the important thing is to keep that heat high. Only mix it if you have to.
So I'm putting in the second pack of 1 kilo jam sugar, and we're doing it in quarters. Yeah. And then let's mix it right in, right to the bottom.
It's very simple, isn't it? There's nothing to it, if you know what I mean. Cool down for a second.
That it was actually that to begin with.
So, I'll let that.
Almost. Yep.
Okay, so look. So first of all, well, that's a good sign.
Okay.
Okay,
Voila.
so it's setting.
Well done.
And you can rub your finger along it. Now. Okay. Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna let that settle because I'm also gonna wait for these guys to come out of here.
Yep. You're good to start your own company now.
Yeah, there you go. kind of even it out with strawberries and the juice, okay? So the important thing here is just to fill it up to the top so there's no air getting in there. Lid on first and make sure it's tight. It's hot. Jam.
There we go. Wow, my first jam. Strawberry jam. So if you enjoy the smell of this video and if you're drooling right now, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And also remember to hit the bell for that notification for the next upload. Until the next one.